Hi guys, my name is Tanvi and I'm from Bangalore. I'm an IT professional and a new mom. So few months back I started facing this problem on my face, like related to acne and all. So I was really very worried. I didn't get time to visit the dermatologist, and then I came across this amazing brand CureSkin. So like they answer to all my queries, and I was so blessed that I found them at the right time. So you can download the application from the Play Store. Let me tell you how it works. Like they have professional dermatologists. You just have to answer the questions related to your problems. Like for me, like I had some acne or something, like then I answered few basic questions, and they have professional dermatologists, and they will create a regimen specially for you based on their questions. And the best thing is you get answers to all your queries at your doorstep, because being a full-time professional and a new mom, we don't get that much time to visit a dermatologist. So trust me guys, do check them out. Like you will be thankful. Like seriously, like I had an amazing experience with them.